Okay, hey guys, what's up? This is 2017 Honda Civic. So I'm going to remove the panel in order to access the side mirror. So I'm going to remove that cap to access the screw there. There's also a screw when you remove this cover, and there's another screw right there. It's gonna focus there. There you have it there. There's another screw behind that cover. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna get started with a piece of screwdriver there, and just put it in the opening there and pop it out like so. And the screw there, that's one. Alright guys, so all three screws are out. Now starting from the bottom, if you have a trim tool, pry up from the bottom and make your way up, just like so. Alright, so that's taken out, and don't forget that there is a harness connector connected to the power window switch. Right, so I'm gonna show you guys. There it is, that's the connector. All you have to do is press the tab and pull it out, and you'll be able to put the door panel away. Alright, here we have the green clip right down below. I'm going to remove that one and put it back to its corresponding place in the door panel, so we can slap that back on the installation. Alright, to remove the side mirror, we're gonna remove that. I'm also gonna remove the harness connector, and don't forget to remove the clip, the harness clip. 3 nuts to remove the side mirror, and when you have it removed, do the reverse procedure to install it. And if you have a lane watch for the side mirror, you'd want to go to Honda and get that thing calibrated or initialized or programmed. Alright guys, thanks for watching.